Good evening. My name is Mami Ibia from Higher Life Church. And coming Friday, 20th of June, I'd like to invite you for our Prayer and Prophetic All night with the state seer, Dr. Ogyaba. It's going to be a time of encounter with the power of God. There are going to be miracles, signs, wonders, and prophecies, and you don't want to miss. I'd like to see you there. The venue is STSB's Event Center, East Legon, Underbridge, and the time is 8 p.m. God bless you.
You were like, wow. So Enriquez, who is sending this money, who will be in the office to send that money? Because the money came around 12:54. Said, I will bless Jeremiah copy section. I saw Priscilla Amoa.
Good day, Nemiakata. 20th Junior Kagbona, Higher Life Church Prayer and Prophetic Service having the STSB's Event Center, the East Legon. Mount Nudaga Fiampa Prophet, Dr. Ogyaba. Nivane miabakoni akamawo galamopa dom Mount Daga Fiampa Prophet. Leni akajimiele. Me nane lemiapa akotaji mijiba maune van namia. Nivane miabakoni akamawo va nemia dogo. This is visibility.
God said you should go and contend with this prophecy. You will travel, you will leave Ghana, you will go to Massachusetts. I am seeing a school, Anna Maria College. Somewhere to pray. You went to eating room and you started praying. I am seeing this young girl in a taxi coming to campus. When he got to campus, she wanted to pay the driver. When she wanted to pay the driver, she looked on her phone. She saw 6,100.
Enyanomni adafu, nyamia sunjin kam. Sabri, eniji senkesepana medebrem. NSA on the 20th of June, Higher Life Global Church, Shemu Kesepara, Prayer and Prophetic All night. Ewo STSB Event Center, East Legon Underbridge. Sa program nyamidi first runko, Dr. Prophet Ogyaba, ena eba sa program. So you'll be a winiji and commission. Train your mini match, and now I did our comma south person yama. Sa program, Namia Shada Yama, Inti, me person to me suffering, bright now be issue.
So, the state prophet said, if you don't have his number and then you wanted his number, take your phone and shout the state. And then at that very moment, my phone was off. So I was like, God help me, because I need the number. I want to have the number, but my phone was off. But I still took the phone that was off and I shouted the state. So later I came out, I plugged the phone, I turned it on, and the phone that was off, I turned it on and I typed the state like in my contact, and I saw the number.
Wow!
Couldn't believe it.
Just shout on your phone, the state. Now, then you begin to check your phone. Then you type the state. If it doesn't work, then your faith is limited. Oh, Jesus Christ. We got now what people say.
Hello everyone, my name is Pastor Stephen, the pastor of Prayer and Church, and I'm here to use this opportunity to invite you for our upcoming program, which is happening on the 20th of June 2025. It's an all-night prayer and prophetic all-night, and we are privileged as Higher Life Church to host the presence of the state prophet, Dr. Ogyaba, and he will be repping like ministry at the STB's Event Center. STB's Event Center is in one underwood. And so wherever you are in Ghana, I would like to use this opportunity to invite you for this amazing encounter with the prophet. I can assure you your life will never be the same again, because by an encounter with the prophet, there's deliverance, there's a turnaround, there's testimonies. And so wherever you are, all over Ghana, Friday the 20th of June, Friday the 20th of June, it's an all-night service, 8 p.m. is the time. Get ready, and then wherever you are in Ghana, all roads leads to STB Event Center, East and Underwood. I know I'll be seeing you there, and I know after the service, you will for me to say thank you for inviting me. It's going to be a special time of praise, a special time of prophecy, a special time of miracles, testimonies. That will be mind-blowing. Humanity will indeed will encounter the unity of that in your life and about this. Remember, the venue again is STB Event Center. The time is 8 p.m. sharp. It's going to be an all night. This is one hour, and I'll see you.